Okay.
Hello everyone, I am Louis. Today I'm in Perth City and I'm doing a walking tour. In front of me is my wife and we are now going to hunt for Pop and Fun. It is a place where you can get things from Pop Mart as well as other blind boxes if you're interested in anything that is related to Pop Mart or blind boxes. Okay, now we are on a hunt to find Pop and Fun. Walking our way. It's a beautiful and clean city. There's a electronic signboard at the back, and now we found Pop and Fun. Okay, if you're a fan of Pop Mart and anything blind boxes, this is a place to definitely check out. You just need to Google Pop and Fun if you're in Perth. This is what it looks like outside. I got a few blind boxes. Okay, after we went to Pop and Fun, now we're going to walk around the city area here. It is around 2 p.m. in the afternoon. It's crowded and the weather is good today.
应该要这边过。你要去看 Swatch 没有？没有。干嘛？Swatch。
This place looks amazing. It looks like a beehive and I'm a bee walking around here.
哦，那边刚才出来啊。那个 building 还是在这边。
Lots of places here are accessible and you just need to walk around and you'll find lots of places to explore. This place is really clean. The floors are all immaculate. As I was walking around, I saw the police here taking action against a man. Not sure what crime he did, so he was captured and put into the police van and driven away. So that's how safe this city is. When you walk around, there are lots of police presence. Police is driving away now with the guy inside shouting, if you can hear him.
应该是这边的前面一边你才可以看到那 coast 的。哦，这边下去。
Okay, this looks like a fun thing to do, so I'm going to try it out
哦，
and
不要紧啊。
feel it. It's quite fun to do it. They look like they're having a good time running around here. Okay, as I was walking around, I saw a performance by this group. They're doing some K-pop here. If you come in the afternoon, especially around 1 or 2 p.m., you can see lots of street performers, maybe some of them singing. So, can you hear the music in the background? That's someone singing. Uh, okay, that's him. He's singing here, and he's got quite a nice voice.
去前面。
啊，前面那一边就是在前面而已的。
那个吧，
啊，
哎，
对对。
不是那个，那个是什么？
Okay, that's the short tour of Perth City area. What do you think? It is a nice place.
因为 Shutter Hall 刚才那个有很多这样名牌店，刚才那边里面 call 是在里面啊，那看前面就是要找一个楼底下了。
Okay, now we are on the way to the parking area. We park quite far away from Pop and Fun, so now we're heading back and finding our way there.
啊，对对对，我们是这边出来的。这边，因为刚才我看到 Bank West Place 啊，那边出来的。